Hey gamers, are you getting this kind of error on your Roblox? Don't worry, I have got you covered. In this guide, we will fix it together. First things first, let's check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi network. A weak connection can lead to issues accessing Roblox games. If your internet is good, try restarting Roblox. Exit the game completely and then relaunch it. Sometimes a simple restart can resolve the issue. If it's still not working, you can offload Roblox to clear the cache data in your iOS system. All you have to go into settings and offload it. Make sure you have the latest version of Roblox. Head to your app store, check for updates and install any available updates. An outdated app can lead to errors. You can also clear cache in your browsers. If the problem still persists, then check the Roblox servers. Head over to websites like Down Detector or official Roblox status page. If there is an outage, you will need to wait until the servers are back up. You can try to open the Roblox app and go into menu, on the gear icon. Click on that icon. So actually there are two different kinds of settings in our Roblox account can lead to this problem. First, under privacy, select, and the first setting is going to be account restrictions, and if the account restriction is all, you have to go ahead and turn it off. If you have a pin, you can enter that pin. Now we have to go in parental controls and we have to scroll down allowed experiences and keep it 13 plus and try adding pin to your account. I believe it really helps in getting rid of the problem. After trying these steps, you should be able to access your favorite Roblox experience again. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and subscribe.